Hi, hello. In our lab one, we're going to observe a moving object, which is at the same speed without changing direction. So we are basically focusing on Newton's second law, F net force, which is equal to mass times acceleration. And for our model and prediction, we know that our object is moving at a constant velocity and same direction. We can conclude that there is zero net force exert on the object, and the acceleration will be zero. Therefore, we will have a linear position versus time function, which is similar as same as y equal to ax plus b, because our position final is equal to position initial plus the velocity times delta t. Since our velocity is constant, we know that the coefficient is constant. So therefore, we have our model right now in our glow script. You can see that I plug in the initial position here and the initial velocity here, which is constant, and let's run this program. We can see how our model works. So you can see, like, I set the velocity to negative, so our linear function is pointing downwards. And we have this is our prediction model. And then I recorded experimenting in real life. Here, my roommate is pushed a ball on the surface, and I use a tracker to track the whole trajectory. Now let's look at the analysis graph. So here you can see our analysis says it's basically like a linear function in our prediction model. A is our velocity, which is minus 0.8565, and B is our initial position, because I set a x-axis on our table. So the direction of our x-axis is basically depending on which direction we push the ball. So if we are pushing the ball to the positive x-axis, we'll have a positive sign, and then vice versa. So here we can see that A is our velocity, and the way that the linear function goes is depending on the velocity and the way we push the ball. And we can see that the experiment result is consistent with our prediction model, but there can be improvement in our experiment, like in our lab. Like, I can try multiple times to get a better model, because like, I only try once. Like, I asked my roommate to push the ball once, and I recorded one video. But if I have multiple samples, I can conclude a better result, and that's it. I think my experiment and prediction are consistent, and that's it. That's the lab for now. Thank you.